Quickly looking at the fourth question, you will discover it's a matrix question where A multiplied as this matrix will give you this, and you can see A is not a whole number, it's actually from the options you see. A is actually also a matrix, so um, for you to get the answer to the values in matrix or the elements of matrix A, you have to make alphabets or letters to represent what A should be, then multiply by this, then your answer should be equal to this, and much later you get the final answer. And so let's go down. So by the time we start solving, we understand better. So we have value for A should be A, B, C, and D. Then we have 0, 2, 1 minus 1 equals 2, 1 minus 1, and 0. We have to multiply these two, and our result should be this. So we'll start with A, we're going this, and we're going down. We're still going this, second time we're going down. Then we take the lower part and finish. So you should know our multiplication of matrix right now. We have A times 0 plus B times 2. On the other hand, at the back end, you have A times 1 plus B times minus 1. The lower part, you have C times 0 plus D times 2. And we have C times 1, then D times minus 1 should equal to this value. We have A times 0 is 0, B times 2 is 2B. Then we have, on the other side, we have A times 1A, and plus minus 1 times B, that has minus B. We have C times 0, which is 0, plus D times 2 is 2D. We have C times 1 is C, plus D times minus 1 is minus D. We can go down a bit more to solve. We have 0 plus 2B is 2B, 0 plus 2D is 2D. A, then negative times positive is negative, negative times positive is negative, which will equal to the value of 2 minus 1, 1 and 0. Even on this side, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. And we have to equate the value of this to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. And it's like forming a kind of simultaneous equation, or more than a simultaneous, let's just say simultaneous equation. You have 2b should be equivalent to 2, which means if this is equivalent to this, because they will the same position, up, left, up, left. So b will actually be 2 over 2, which is b is 1. Then we take, let's take this, 2d is equal to 1. D will be dividing both sides by 2. 1 over 2 as D is half. Then we can take A minus B should be equivalent to minus 1. So we have A minus B is equal to minus 1. We have our value from B from the upper result, which is A minus 1. B representing minus 1 equals minus 1. A is minus 1. Take the minus 1 outside. It becomes plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So A is 0. Then we take the last part, which is bottom right. We have C minus D is equal to 0. We know the value of our D is half, so half. C minus half equals 0. Then C is 0, the minus half crosses the equal sign, turns to plus half. C is half. We can now start inserting our values into this, since we know A, B, C, D. Then A we know is 0, B we know is 1, C we know is half, and D we know is half. So our final answer is 0, 1, half, half at the bottom. And from the option we see 0, 1, half, half at the bottom, which is B. Our correct answer is B.